What's up, guys? So check it out. I want to talk to you guys about when it's important or when it's necessarily to actually cut your loss on an investment. So to keep it simple for everybody out there that's just average, just trying to get by and make it for yourself, what you have to do is determine whether or not if the investment is worth keeping or is it better just to get rid of it. I had a fourplex apartment unit. I used to own one myself, and what happened was when I managed it myself, I was able to make more money off of it. I had 4 units. I rented each of them for 600 a month. It was about, 612, 2400 a month. My mortgage was about 1200, so I was profiting, roughly around 11 to 1200 after all expenses, right? And while I was managing there myself, it was fine. It was all up until when I moved and I was trying to find a property manager, and then they started eating into my expenses, and then I didn't have a good property manager, and it was sucked because I ended up moving out of the country, and it just ended up costing me way more money because they couldn't find a tenant or the right tenant, or they found bad tenants, and it was just a whole nightmare. I held on to this property for about 3 years, and then I told myself that eventually I'm just totally done with it because I don't want to waste any more time sinking money into it. So I ended up selling the property. Perfect example of why you should cut something out, because this property that I was keeping was, first of all, causing me more stress, causing me to spend more money. And the money that I spent on this mortgage, having to pay it every month, and my rent, paying rent and mortgage sucks. Let me be the first one to tell you that. So yes, it would definitely be time to cut your losses. Don't forget that sometimes it is better to just let go.